Hello, in front of me I've got Omoda 5. In this video I'll show you how to enable intelligent speed control. In the beginning, firstly fasten the seatbelt. Once the seatbelt is fastened, select drive mode and now press the limiter button. Once the intelligent speed control is enabled, start driving. Accelerate to desired speed and press steering wheel button on the steering wheel. This will activate the intelligent speed control. Now you can increase the speed by pressing this button and decrease by pressing Z- button. Then you can change distance from the following car, and to disable it, again press limit button. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.